American 67, cross trade at level 240, transition 300 knots.
Trade at 240, transition 300 knots, American 67.
Viewers 175, cross trade at level 240, transition 300 knots or greater.
Okay, cross trade, flight level 240 and the transition 300 or greater, we'll take it 125 heavy.
Schedule 2127, climb maintain level 300.
300, just 2127.
Delta 210, fly present heading for Sweden.
Present heading, Delta 210.
Delta 47, clear direct straight.
Clear direct trade, Delta 47.
And center brickyard 4510, we're getting some continuous light chop. Is it possible to maybe get an altitude of 270?
Brickyard 4510, clear maintain to level 270.
Down to 270, brickyard 4510.
Piedmont 4984, descend and maintain to level 240.
240, Piedmont 4984.
Delta 2027, climb maintain to level 320.
320, just 2127.
Delta 210, descend and maintain to level 280.
Delta 210, descend and maintain 280.
Delta 47, cross trade at flight level 240, transition 300 knots or greater.
Trade 240, 300 knots or greater, Trans 47.
Legion 2237 to direct Snow Hill.
Direct Snow Hill, Legion 2237.
That was 3271. What do you plan for a Mach number as you transition?
Southwest 3271. It'd be 0.78, but we can, is that what you need?
That'd be great. 78 or greater, Southwest 3271.
0.78 or greater, Southwest 3271.
Southwest 45, climb maintain for level 340, transition Mach 75.
Flight level 340 and 0.75, the transition Southwest 47.
Southwest 3020, sliding 300.
Heading 300, Southwest 3020.
Southwest 3020, sliding 275.
275 and heading Southwest 3020.
AC4096, amend altitude, maintain level 310.
Stop at 310, AC4096.
Jet card 80, descend and maintain, level 330.
330, jet card 80.
Blue Streak 5550, 17-3, calming 230. Blue Streak 55, 50 Boston Center, climb and maintain level 360. Climb to 360, Blue Streak 5550. Canport 4010, clear direct Bravo Alpha Foxtrot.
Clear direct Bravo Alpha Foxtrot, Canport 4010.
Delta 210, don't exceed 300 knots, cross trade at flight level 240.
Delta 210, do not exceed 300 knots, trade at 240.
JetBlue 2127, clear direct Carmel.
Jet Carmel 2127.
Southwest 45, climb maintain to level 300.
Flight level 30, Southwest 45.
AC4096, fly present heading.
Present heading, AC4096.